This is my 91 Mustang. The 2 or 3 of you that follow me regularly have seen it before. I am way behind on the things I need to do. I haven't worked like I should have this winter, and I'm way behind on getting the things done that need to be done. I want to take this car to auction in April. There's a collector car auction every April, and I want to take mine there and see if it'll bring a price. And today I'm working on that. That is a Line Loc, and it locks out the rear brakes. So let me show you how that's done. So you see this switch here and that light? That's the Line Loc. When I flip that switch, it does one or two things. It either prevents pressure to the rear brakes, or it holds the pressure in the rear brakes. So you could actually use it like an emergency brake if you wanted to. But for my purposes, I shut off the pressure to the rear brakes so I can hold the front brake and accelerate the tires. Can I say it that way? So this Line Loc is the second one. This is the first one here, and there's the holes that you see. It's got stuff in it. Anyway, this one leaked, so it didn't hold the pressure as it should or resist the pressure as it should. It kind of worked about 80%. So I'm putting in a second one, and what happened is, as you can see, it's already in, and it looks like it's all hooked up, but this fitting right here leaks. These brass soft fittings conform to the shape of the double flared hose, and I had hoped that they would match up. This one did. This one matched up and sealed up fine, but this one leaked, and so I've got to replace that brass fitting. So I've got the Line Loc repaired, and now you can see I've got it wrapped in you can see I've got it wrapped in a paper shop towel, and this is to check for leaks. And here's one that I've already been using, and these blue towels immediately show up. Any kind of moisture shows up like that, so it's really good. So I've wrapped that around all of the various connections, and then I went and stomped on the brake pedal 3 or 4 times. And let's see, I think I've got it all solved, but let's see if we got any leaks. Okay, and I want to look at each area, try to match it up. All right, no leaks. Okay, we're leak free. We finally got it all done. Wonderful.